Ciao ragazzi, welcome back. Today, we are tackling the most feared topic in Italian grammar, the congiuntivo. Don't run away. I promise by the end of this video, you will actually get it. Ready? Let's go. So, what is the congiuntivo? In English, you call it the subjunctive mood. And yes, English has it too. When you say, I suggest that he be here, that be instead of is, that's the subjunctive. But in English, almost nobody uses it anymore. In Italian, we use it all the time. Here is the golden rule. Write this down. Whenever you express doubt, opinion, emotion, a wish, or fear, the verb that comes after che must change form. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Example number 1, doubt and opinion. Penso che lui sia stanco. I think that he is tired. Not penso che lui è stanco. That is wrong. After penso che, the verb changes to sia. Say it with me. Sia, sia, sia. Example number 2, wishes. Voglio che tu venga domani. I want you to come tomorrow. In English, you say, I want you to come. In Italian, you say, voglio che tu venga, not vieni. The verb changes. Venga. Example number 3, emotion. Sono felice che tu stia bene. I am happy that you are well. Again, after che, the verb changes. Sia, venga, stia. These are your 3 superstars for today. So let me recap super fast. After expressions of doubt, use congiuntivo. After opinion, congiuntivo. After emotion, congiuntivo. After wishes, congiuntivo. After fear, congiuntivo. The signal? It's always the word che. When you see che after these verbs, boom, congiuntivo time. Now, your challenge for today. Follow us for a new Italian lesson.